Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to schedule meetings in Microsoft Teams. Firstly, click on the calendar icon located on the left-hand side of the Teams interface, and this view will display all your scheduled meetings, events and available time slots, much like a traditional calendar app. You can create a new meeting in a few ways. Click any empty time slot on your Teams calendar, select New Meeting at the top right corner of the screen, then for an instant meeting click Meet Now. After selecting New Meeting, a scheduling panel appears in the center of your screen. Now, all you have to do is add a title, invite attendees, set a location, online meeting toggle and description, then you can now set your meeting live. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.